Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about arithmetic operations with array using NumPy. We will perform element-wise arithmetic with arrays and numerical values by using arithmetic operators and augmented assignments. Element-wise operations are applied to every element. So first we are going to import NumPy as NP. So this will be import NumPy as NP, and then we are going to create our numbers array by using NP's arrange method. So this will be num array np dot arrange and 1 to 10. And now we are going to multiply each element of this array with 2. So this will be, and also print the resulting array. Num dot this will return over here when we multiply with 2, it will return a new array. The original array stays unmodified. I'm just gonna save it and run this. And we have this new array. Now we are going to cube each element of our array. I will just gonna copy this. And now I'm going to use a 2 asterisk sign and 3. And just save and run our script. And here is our new array. And now I'm going to print the original array. And here I'm going to pass in num and just run. And over here we can see that the arithmetic operators did not modify our array. Augmented assignments modify every element in the left operand. So we are going to add a 10 to each element of our array. We can do this by our num array with the 10, and we are just going to print our array. And here is our modified array. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.